Welcome back to your channel name. In today's video, we're diving deep into the real estate agency agreement, an essential document that every buyer and seller should understand. This agreement is crucial in real estate transactions, and knowing its ins and outs can make a significant difference. I remember when I first encountered this document. It seemed overwhelming, but understanding it helped me navigate the process with confidence. So, let's get started. What is a real estate agency agreement? Well, in simple terms, it's a contract between a real estate agent and a client. Its main purpose is to outline the duties and obligations of both parties during a real estate transaction. There are different types of agreements, such as exclusive and non-exclusive agreements. Exclusive agreements mean the agent has the sole right to sell the property, while non-exclusive agreements allow multiple agents to sell it. Understanding these distinctions is key to choosing the right agreement for your needs. Now let's break down the key components of the agreement. First, we have the duration of the agreement, which specifies how long the contract will be in effect. Next is the commission structure. This details how the agent will be compensated for their services. Then we have the responsibilities of both the agent and the client, outlining what each party is expected to do. Finally, there are termination clauses, which explain how the agreement can be ended by either party. Knowing these elements will help you navigate the agreement with ease. All right, let's dive into some common mistakes to avoid when signing a real estate agreement. You see, it's easy to overlook the fine print, but it's crucial to read every word carefully. One frequent pitfall is not understanding the terms of the agreement, so always make sure you know what you're signing. Also, don't forget to verify the duration of the contract and any associated fees. It's important to ask questions if something isn't clear and to seek clarification from a professional if needed. By being thorough, you can avoid potential issues down the road. To wrap things up, understanding the real estate agency agreement is paramount. It's not just a formality, it's a document that outlines your rights and obligations. Doing your due diligence can save you from future headaches. So, take the time to read through everything, consult with professionals, and ensure you fully understand the terms. This way, you can make informed decisions and feel confident in your real estate journey. We hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. We'd love to hear about your experiences too. And don't forget to subscribe for more real estate insights. By breaking it down into these segments, we aim to provide valuable information that empowers buyers and sellers to navigate their real estate journeys confidently. Thanks for watching.